example, square root of 5. Now we want to find out square root of 5 with the division method. We should take here 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0. You have done it in class 8. Then 2 to the 4 plus gets 4. Now 1. Remove your decimal. Now again take 2 to the 4 to the 8. 4, 4. Now this will be 6, 1. Now take 3. 2 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12, 3 4 are 12, 1 13. 6, 4, 4, 1, 7, 2. Now again take this. Now you can take 5. 6. So it takes 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 3 39. 27. 36 3 36 3 39. 27. Now what you observe here? Square root of 5 is 2.236 and that. You observe here, square root of 5 is a non-terminating and non-repeating decimal expansion. If you go further, you can find that there is no repeating. Similarly, if you find the square root of 2, you will also get 1.4142 and so on. If you find value of pi, this will give that 3.1415 and so on. Square root of these number contains non-terminating, non-repeating expansion. So now here see that square root of 16, you know 4. Square root of 9, you know 3. Square root of 2.56 equal to 1.6. Square root of 6.25 is equal to 2.5. Is it? So what is the difference between this and this? Here we find square root as a terminating decimal expansion, and here not terminating. This two can be divided into two type of decimal expansion. This said to be terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion. So it is rational number. Rational number. This is non-terminating, non-recurring or repeating decimal expansion. See here, we have already studied it about previous class. In this case, in other word, now I am going to start the word to use this. ऐसे नंबर जिसका स्क्वायर रूट निकल गया या डेसिमल में निकला तो टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल में निकला, दैट्स आर ए रेशनल नंबर. बट ऐसे नंबर जिसका स्क्वायर रूट नहीं निकल पाया, निकला तो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, नॉन रिपीटिंग है, रिपीटिंग आल्सो सेड टू बी रिकरिंग, वो क्या हो गया आपका इरेशनल नंबर. दीज आर irrational number. So this is simple identification of rational is अगर स्क्वायर रूट मिल रहा है तो इट इज रेशनल, नहीं निकाल पा रहे हैं तो इरेशनल. हमने इसको कैसे पढ़ा था? रूट एन के फॉर्म में, रूट एन के फॉर्म में. अगर स्क्वायर रूट मिल गया तो रेशनल, नहीं तो इरेशनल. नाउ लेट अस टेक एग्जांपल. Now question based on this theory, you have to identify rational or irrational number with adding 2 or more terms. See, if here 23 plus root 70, is it rational or irrational? Since we know that we cannot find terminating square root of 17, or square root of 17 always be non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. So this is irrational and this is rational. So all these will be irrational number. अब सिंपल सी बात है, ये अच्छा पानी है, इसमें एक बूंद भी आप गंदा पानी डाल दिए तो पूरा गंदा हो जाएगा. ये क्या आपका रेशनल है, बट ये क्या आपका इरेशनल है. दोनों मिलके क्या मिला, कुल मिला के टोटल इज इरेशनल नंबर. नाउ लेट अस सी वन मोर एग्जांपल. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 324. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 324, you have to check it, is it rational or irrational? So we will try to find out the square root of this. Square root of 324 can be found like this. Now rounding this, 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 4. Now take your 8. 8 4 ja 8 8 ja 64, and this. Okay, what we observe here, we have a complete square root, terminating square root of 324. So this is a rational. This 324 is rational. Right? To check rational, you have to check only. अगर आप पूरा स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड कर सकते हैं तो दैट इज रेशनल, अदर इरेशनल. नाउ सी हियर सम होमवर्क. क्लासिफाई रेशनल और इरेशनल. 2 minus root 5, 1 upon root 7, 25 minus root 225, root 120 minus 7. Okay, now complete this homework. Now next further we are going to for another topic, operation of rational number. How rational number can be added, multiplied, subtracted. So if you have rational number like root a into root b, and see here both had same root. Here are root a and root b both had square root. Anyway, if there will be root m of a and root n of b, if a and b have same root, then multiplying this we can write it like this, a into b. a and b अगर सेम रूट है तो दोनों आपस में प्रोडक्ट कर सकते हैं हम लोग. Here this also can be written as, for example, just take here root 5 into root 5, or root 5 into root 10, This can be written as root 5 into 10. This can be written as 50. Right? Similarly, in case of division, if root A divided by root B, nth root A divided by root B. If degree of the roots are same, power of the roots are same, or both are same in same root, this can be put in a root. This can be put in a root. For example, root 50 upon root 2. This can be written as root 50 upon 2. Both have same root, square root. So this becomes root 25. This becomes 5. Value of this is this. Okay. But in another case, if we have root A and root B, what we observe here? Both having different roots. Different. It has cube root. It is square root. So we cannot multiply it. It cannot be written in the form of AB. We cannot multiply it if there is different or roots are different. Similarly, we cannot divide it if roots are different. Only when roots are same, degree of power same, so they can be put in a same root. Now, addition, in case of addition subtraction, if root A plus root A both have same root and same number, this can be put 2 root A. This can be put 2 root A. Root is taken as a variable. Root A here will be taken as a variable. A plus A, 2A may not be multiplied, but their root should be same. We can say 1 root 2, 1 root 2, this is 2 root A. For example, root 5 plus root 5 can be written as 2 root 5. Okay. In case of different subtraction also, if root A minus root A, this becomes 0. Either we can say if 3 root A minus 2 root A, so this is 3 and this is 2. So 3 is subtracted by 2 gets 1 root A, or can be written as only root A. This is the operation of the irrational number. So one more thing. Okay, finish. Now one more thing you can write here. If root A multiplied by root A, you can get here root A square. You can write here this also like this, root A into A. This will also give you root A square. This can also give you A. This can give you A. Means अगर सेम रूट का मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो हम कह सकते हैं कि रूट खत्म हो जाएगा अगर डिजिट सेम है तो. ओके, नाउ लेट अस टेक सम ऑपरेशन. Simplify 3 plus 3 plus 2 3 plus root. Now we are trying to simplify this. See here, just take root as a variable. Means we can say it contains two terms, 3 and root 3. Just as well as in lower classes, this first term of the first bracket should be multiplied by this as well as in this. Second term of the first bracket multiplied by this and this. कह सकते हैं इसका एक टर्म लेंगे, इसका मल्टीप्लाई दूसरे ब्रैकेट के दोनों टर्म में करेंगे, दूसरा टर्म लेंगे, इसका मल्टीप्लाई दूसरे टर्म में. या अदर वर्ड में हम ये कह सकते हैं कि each and every term should be multiplied by each other with using symbol. Now plus 3 plus 2 gets 6, or we can write it also like this. plus 3 plus 2 means plus 3 into root 2. Again plus 3 plus 2 means plus root 3 into 2. Root 3 into 2. Again plus 2 plus root 2 means plus root 3 into root 2. Using the above examples, this will be 6. This can be written as 2. This also can be written as 2 root 3. This can be written as 6, as we studied in here. So, for the addition and subtraction, roots should be like with power, like with number also. This is power is same, but here are 2 and here are 3. So these two are different type of roots. So we cannot add this, neither subtract this, nor multiply this. And here 6, here root 6. So we cannot add or subtract any of the terms. So it is the answer. Let us take one more example. Root 5 minus root 2, root 5 plus root 2. As we are discussing about that, this root taken as a variable. So we see that in the class 8, we have a formula, we studied a formula, an identity a square, a minus b and a plus b is said to be a square minus b square. In class 8 you have done this identity a minus b, a plus b, a square minus this. Applying this identity here, this will take as a, this will take as b, this is a and this is b. So first of all we identify the identity is applicable here or not. अप्लाई कर लिया हमने, ये a है ये b है, बिल्कुल इसी पे सेट हो रहा है. Now we are going like this. Result is this according to the identity. So what is the result? A square. A square means what is your a? Root 5 square minus is where from this minus comes from identity. Identity use कर रहे हैं, identity apply कर रहे हैं, तो जैसा identity में वैसा करेंगे. Minus use कर लिया, then b square. What is b? B is root 2 square. Now square root of 5 is 5. Square root of 2 is 2. Answer is 3. See here. Don't confuse. Students confuse करते हैं यहाँ पे. ये टर्म का तो स्क्वायर हुआ, ये कहाँ गया? यहाँ प्लस है, यहाँ माइनस है, तो प्लस कहाँ गया? No mention that. ये आपने क्लास 8 में पूरा ऑपरेशन करके प्रैक्टिकल करके देखा था. This multiplying this and this always comes a square minus b square. तो हम जस्ट इसका यूज कर रहे हैं, आइडेंटिटी का यूज कर रहे हैं. You will get this. Now write down some homework. Simplify. First, 3 plus root 3, 3 minus root 3. Second, 2 minus root 5 and 4 minus root 3. Third, 2 root 2 plus 2 root 5 plus 3 and 3 root 5 plus 2. That's okay. Now complete this homework. Thank you.